Boise, Idaho, Sun Valley, Idaho, and Fairfield, Idaho. Gotta go. We've got a lot of driving to do.
Electric vehicles are awesome. They're the future. Everybody's gonna have one. They make great cars and trucks. But the problem with electric vehicles is the charging network. There's just not enough chargers across America. And unless you have a really expensive electric car with a really big battery bank, you might run out of gas or out of electricity. So what's the solution?
1, 2, 3, go. All right, move that guy. Okay.
You say the words.
Map of Idaho, Boise, Sun Valley. It's 156 miles, right?
To 450.
To 450. That's a long way.
9.
And you might just run out of electricity halfway through. So that's really a great reason to have multiple chargers along the way. Because it might be cold out, right?
Right.
And you might run out of electricity because you're running your heater in your car, right? Oh, you're erasing it?
So my plan is to install a level 2 electric EV charger to help fill in the network across rural Idaho at this old laundromat. So now all I need to do is find an electrician to help me out. So this charger is a 30 amp, 240 volt level 2 charger. Average size charger, not the fastest, not nearly as fast as DC fast charging. It'll do about 25 miles of range extension in an average size EV per hour. So if you get stuck here in Fairfield and need a little extra juice to get home, you can park your car here, go get a bite to eat, and then within an hour, you'll have an extra 25 miles of range to get back to wherever you're going.
You found a secret EV charger. Please be respectful, coil up the charging cable, and patronize the local businesses.
Yeah, I don't know. See how it goes.